Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have another Stitch Fix unboxing, so let's check it out and see what's inside. Here is a look at my bundle. I see some jeans, see some color, so let's crack into it. First item, this is from Monday Fun. The Monday Fun Esther Keyhole Blouse, color blue, size medium. Here's a look at the front. This one is 100% polyester and the price is $40. Is Monday Fun a Stitch Fix brand? Because it's another Monday Fun item. This one is called the Lillian V-neck blouse, color black, size medium. So here is a look at this one. This one is also 100% polyester, and it actually has a really, if you like to wear like long shirts, this one looks like it's gonna come down really long. So if you wear leggings or something to work and you need a longer shirt, this one looks like it might be perfect for that. Oh, and this one looks like it's on clearance. The price for this one is only $15.97. The next item, some red. I'm a Georgia Bulldog fan, so this could definitely come in handy. This is the Beacon Jasmine Twist Front Blouse, color red, size medium. Another 100% polyester blouse. The price for this one is $39. Ooh, we have a dress. The General Good, the Raina Rouch Detail Midi dress, color teal green, size medium. So here is the length. I love the color. Here's a look at the front. And this dress does actually have a lining in it as well, so I love that. And we're breaking our 100% polyester box, and this one is 97% polyester and 3% spandex. Oh, and this one must be on sale too. The price for this dress is only $27.97. And last but not least, we have a pair of blue jeans from STS Blue. These are the Jaclyn High Rise Flare Jean, color indigo, size 8. Here is a look. They are super flared, so I don't know if I'm gonna love that. I do love the color, and the price for this pair of jeans, $68. I love that my stylist sent 2 items that were on sale, so this is actually a pretty good buy. The stylist pick subtotal for all 5 items is $190.94. If I keep all 5, I receive a 25% discount, which is $47.74, and that will bring my order subtotal to $143.20. So that's pretty good for a dress and a pair of jeans, but I don't know if I love all 5, so it's not looking like a 5 for 5 for me, but I'm gonna go try everything on. Let me know which items you think I should keep and which items I should return. Here are the first 2 items. This is the Monday Fun Esther Keyhole Blouse. And these are the STS Blue Jaclyn High Rise Flare Jean. I love the color of this blouse. It's super simple. It just has the keyhole detail, and I like the sleeves. And the jeans, I didn't think I was gonna like them at all. Check out the flare, but they're very comfortable, and I love the color. Let me know what you think, and I'm gonna go try on the next blouse. Here is the Monday Fun Lillian V-neck blouse. This is the one that was on clearance, so I think this one's only about $15. I like the V-neck, I like the sleeves, I love the price. So let me know what you think, and I'm gonna go try on the next item. Here's the Beacon Jasmine Twist Front Blouse. I don't love this one as much as I thought I would. I'm not loving the cut on the front, but I love the color. I think I'm gonna send this one back. Let me know what you think, and the last item is the dress. Here's the last item. This is the General Good Raina Rouch Detail Midi dress. This one is also a sale price. I believe it was $27. And for the, I wish it had pockets. But for the price, I feel like this is a really good deal. Here's a look at the length, and it's super comfortable. I do like the color. So now I have to figure it out. Which items do you think I should return? Which items do you think I should keep? I probably wouldn't keep this one if it was full price. So should I just return it since I don't love it? Or is it such a great deal, I should just keep it? And that was it. That was everything in my August Stitch Fix unboxing. As always, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe.